Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. We are going to find out what our weekly specials are. And so we're going to go straight on over to hookedonpickin.com. We're going to peruse the store, go right down to our weekly specials page and find out what are the things that we have on sale. Now everything on our weekly specials page will automatically already be discounted. So the price you see on the weekly specials page is the already discounted price. So let's head on over there and see what do we have on sale.
Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below.
All right, so what do we have for sale on our weekly specials? Well, let's just go to the shop drop-down menu. You can go here to find your weekly specials as well as all of our other collections we have. And then we also have all of them listed down here. So we're going to go ahead and just click on this box, see what we have in weekly specials and what is there and what are the prices. So we have a New Day Gabriella Cheetah platform sandal. We have lowered the price to $12.99. We have it in a women's size 6. A women's 6.5, and a women's 8.5. So hopefully we find your size and you can get those. Then we also have a photo etched leaf drop earrings with edged cubic zirconia. So it's cubic zirconia little diamonds along here and along here, and then a drop there. So we have silver or gold. You can choose your color, and we have them lowered to $7.99. And it gives you all the details about the earring, how long they are, and such. These are made in on the East Coast from one of our U.S. makers. All right, then we have the beautiful Tree of Life necklace. $7.99 is what we've dropped the price to. This is all cubic zirconia all the way around the edge of the Tree of Life. Beautiful necklace, nice chain there, and it is a 16-inch long traditional link chain with a 2-inch extension. $7.99 for that. Then on sale we have for $29.99. This is our Bird Bath Bronze Spigot metal fountain pump. It comes with the pump, and so you can see it comes with a pump, and it has an exterior outlet on it, and so you can plug it in outside. It has a little bit of a antiqued look as well, and so it's a very beautiful bird bath fountain pump. You can use it indoor or outdoor for $29.99. Then we have all of our fun plush toys, and so we have all of these available only at $3.99. So we've got a panda, a sloth, a monkey, a dog, a pig, and a cow, and they're 8 inches, so they're actually a rather large stuffed animal, and so $3.99 for those on sale. Then we have a natural foliage fountain with pump. It looks like a little bit of a beehive with some kind of a brown natural foliage, really pretty. So the cord comes in this way, and then the pump works just like that. Comes with everything that you see. Nothing is needed to make it function, so you will get everything included. $14.99 for that. Then we have toy dinosaur plastic, 6 inches in size. We dropped it to 99 cents a piece. So you will get a variety. And so they're 6 inches, various colors and styles. You buy as many as you like. And in one order, we try to make sure that all of the dinosaurs are different. And so 6-inch size, 99 cents a piece. Really fun plastic toy dinosaurs. Then we have, this is an amazing arm and hammer swivel bin and rake. This is a pooper scooper, but you can use it for just about anything. Picking up pecans, picking up leaves, picking up things on your floor. If you don't bend over, it does have an extendable handle, comes in a small little tidy thing, and then all the poles are included for the rake and the bin. So the rake and bin, $7.99. Then we have this amazing pet lover dog print A-line dress. We have it in every single size from small all the way to 2X. The only size we don't have is 3X. Super soft and comfortable. Does have pockets. You can wear it as a tunic top or a dress. It is long enough to be worn as a dress. It'll hit just above the knees. And so a very, very beautiful dog print dress. So it's got all the different kinds of dogs on it. $9.99 is the discounted price. Then we have this amazing digital pH meter and TDS meter combo set with high accuracy. And so if you are needing this, we have it at $2.99. That is a steal. These are really expensive online. Then we have a 3.5-inch wood handle multifunction knife at $2.99. Folds up just like a Swiss Army knife, but it has the wood grain sides on it. And so it's got 13 different multifunction tools on it. And all of the tools are stainless steel at the $2.99 price. It is a steal. And then last but not least, we have this in an extra large and a 2XL. It's a really pretty women's faux wrap knit tunic top. It's basically a sweater, but it has this fun front different design on it. And so $9.99 for this nice charcoal gray long sleeve sweater. Super, super duper soft. So go straight to our weekly special page. We are highlighting 12 different items this week, so you can get them at a steal. These prices do not stay discounted after this week, so go ahead and check it out. We do different items each week, and so always go to the shop drop down menu weekly specials, or simply go to the Hooked on Pickin page, scroll down, and you'll see all of our collections there. First one there is the weekly specials. So hopefully you love everything you saw. You'll get some good discounts on the weekly specials. Just remember, you get free shipping on everything, on orders that are $100 or more inside the continental United States. So make sure you stock up that cart and earn that free shipping. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below, and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.